Hello everyone, thanks for joining us in this lesson on improving visibility for your web pages. If you don't yet have a website, maybe it's time to consider building one. Having a sold web presence is the key to consistently gaining new customers. I've been building websites for over 25 years and will be adding a new course dedicated to building a website at practically no cost. It's not as difficult as you might think. Today we're going to learn about optimizing web pages and why it matters for both website visitors and search engines. Think about walking into a library where none of the books have titles, labels, or chapter headings. Finding information would be frustrating and time-consuming. Search engines face a similar problem when they visit websites. They need clear clues to understand what each page is about. Page optimization provides those clues. One of the first and most important clues is the page title. The page title is often what people see in search results. It should clearly describe the page. For example, a title like Homemade Apple Pies and Fresh Baked Desserts tells visitors much more than "Welcome to my website." A good title is specific, easy to understand, and includes important keywords naturally. Another important part of page optimization is using headings. Headings organize information into sections, making content easier to read. Think about a textbook. It has chapter titles, section headings, and subheadings that help students find information quickly. Websites should work the same way. The main heading introduces the topic, while smaller headings break content into manageable sections. Since many people skim web pages instead of reading every word, good headings help visitors find what they need faster. Content is also a major factor. Search engines want to show users information that is useful and helpful. If someone searches for advice on caring for a tomato plant, they expect detailed information, not just a sentence or two. Quality content answers questions, solves problems, and provides value. When creating web pages, focus on helping people first. Good SEO follows naturally when content is useful. Keywords play an important role, but they must be used correctly. Keywords should appear naturally in titles, headings, and content. Years ago, some website owners repeated keywords excessively to try to improve rankings. Today, search engines are much smarter. Instead of stuffing keywords everywhere, write naturally and use related words and phrases. Helpful content is more important than repeating the same term over and over. URLs also matter. A URL is a web page's address. Short, descriptive URLs help both users and search engines understand what a page contains. Internal links are equally important. These links connect pages within a website and help visitors discover related information. They also help search engines understand how a website is organized. Search engines know nothing about a web page if the URL is x123ba7. The same URL has much better chance of being understood by search engines if the URL is homemade-soy-candles-in-Detroit. Readability and user experience can make a big difference. Most people leave websites that are difficult to read or navigate. Short paragraphs, clear formatting, and simple language make content easier to consume. A good user experience means visitors can easily find information, navigate pages, and interact with the site without frustration. Mobile optimization is essential because many people browse the internet on smartphones and tablets. Websites should display properly on smaller screens with readable text, easy-to-tap buttons, and simple navigation. Page speed is just as important. Slow-loading websites often lose visitors before they even see the content. Large images, unnecessary code, and poor hosting can all slow a website down. Finally, let's talk about images. Images make web pages more engaging, but they should be optimized. Use descriptive file names, add alt text to describe images, and keep file sizes manageable. This helps search engines understand images and improves accessibility for users with visual impairments. I've dedicated a separate lesson to optimizing images. To summarize, a well-optimized web page includes a clear title, organized headings, useful content, natural keyword usage, simple URLs, internal links, readable formatting, a positive user experience, mobile-friendly design, fast loading speeds, and optimized images. The goal isn't to trick search engines, it's to create pages that are useful, organized, and easy to understand. When you do that, both visitors and search engines benefit. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you in the next lesson.